Hello there, welcome back. Today we are learning a very important topic, fraction of a remainder. Now what does that mean? Sometimes a problem will say, you spend a fraction of your money and then you spend a fraction of what is left. Do you see? The second fraction is taken from the remainder, not from the whole amount. This can be very confusing, so we will use the branching method to help us see it clearly. Alright, let's look at our question. Raju had some money. He spent 1/4 of his money on a book. He then spent 2/3 of the remainder on a bag. He had $30 left. How much money did Raju have at first? Now, notice the word remainder. 2/3 is taken from what is left after buying the book, not from the whole. Let's draw our branching tree to make this clear. At the very top, we have Raju's total money. This is what we want to find. From this total, we split it into two parts. 1/4 goes to the book. The other 3/4 is the remainder, the money he still has after buying the book. Now here comes the tricky part. From this remainder, we split again. 2/3 of the remainder is spent on the bag, and 1/3 of the remainder is what he had left, which is $30. Can you see how the tree branches downward? Each split shows a new fraction taken from its parent. Now let's do the working. Step 1. After buying the book, the remainder is 1 minus 1/4, which gives us 3/4 of the total. Good. Step 2. After buying the bag, the fraction left is 1 minus 2/3, which is 1/3 of the remainder. Step 3, and this is the key step. We want to know what fraction of the total is still left. So we multiply 1/3 times 3/4 equals 3/12, which simplifies to 1/4 of the total. Lovely. Step 4. This 1/4 of the total equals $30 because that is what Raju had left. Step 5. To find the whole total, we multiply $30 by 4, giving us $120. And let's check. The book cost 1/4 of 120, which is $30. The bag cost 2/3 of the remaining 90, which is $60. And he had $30 left. 30 plus 60 plus 30 equals 120. It works! So our final answer is, Raju had $120 at first. Let's recap. Whenever you see a fraction taken from a remainder, draw a branching tree. First, split the whole into spent and remainder. Then split the remainder again into its own spent and left parts. Multiply fractions along the branches to find what fraction of the whole is left. Then match it to the number given. Great work today. See you in the next lesson.